let's start.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Raj Ajay, a wedding photographer from Bangalore, India, and today we are reviewing the brand new Nikon Z5. Let's unbox the warranty card, the Z5 manual, the card reader, the strap, charger, the battery, USB-C type cable, the 24-50 lens, finally the Z5 body. So we are done with the unboxing of the Z5. Z5 comes with 4 options. Today we're going to talk a lot about the Z5 body only. Z5 body only. Okay guys, we have tried using the camera and we have shot close to 5,000 plus pictures from this camera. And here's what we think about this camera. And that's too much camera. From the first look of the camera, it's very similar to the Z6 and the Z7. The back panel remains the same, but the only difference is the top display screen, which is not there in Z5. Otherwise, pretty much the same as Z6 and Z7. So Nikon has finally listened to its customers and made it dual slots. So this is dual SD card slots. This is a photographer's delight, especially a wedding photographer's delight. The next thing that I would like to talk about is the battery. So we have the EL15C battery. This is the new version and it's a little better than the older version. So you'll get more shots. So the next feature I want to talk about is the USB-C port. This is a new feature with Z5. You can use a power bank and charge it up and you can just continuously shoot without any worry. This is one of the best features for people who are into time lapse, who are into vlogging, and people who are into live streaming. Let's talk a little bit about the internal features. So Nikon Z5 now has a new sensor and it's a 24.3 megapixel camera, very similar to the Z6, which is 24.5 megapixel camera. It's got the X-Speed processor, which is very similar to the Z6 and Z7. It's got the same autofocusing, the focus tracking, the eye tracking, the subject tracking, the face detection. Everything is same as Z6 and Z7. Coming to the IBIS or the in-body image stabilization, it's the same as Z6 or Z7. We have tried this feature on Z5 and we have got amazing sharpness. Even as low as 1/10th of a second, the sharpness has been really very good. Coming to the ISO, it goes from 100 to 51,200 and we have tried higher ISOs and we've got really good images. It's incredible to see how an entry-level camera can do really good at this range and give us very good images. Regarding the burst shooting, this can shoot up to 4.5 frames per second, and this might not be the best option for a wildlife photographer or a sports photographer, but definitely for a travel photographer, wedding photographer, and definitely a portrait photographer. Coming to the video, this shoots 1080p at 60 frames, 4K at 30 frames with a 1.7x crop. Practically for an entry-level full-frame camera, I think this does a great job in shooting videos, guys. To sum it up, Nikon has just made the best entry-level full-frame camera. I would highly recommend this to everyone and I'm really looking forward to shoot weddings with this camera.